Hi, it's Gabriel from Northern Saunas. Today we'll walk you through cleaning and protecting the wood with a product called Tikkurila Supi Saunawax. I'm showing this on a Sierra XXS, but the same applies to most outdoor saunas. Now, if you've just assembled your sauna, this is the perfect moment to apply wax. The wood is clean and fresh, so you can start directly with waxing prep. If you've already used your sauna before, like in my case, here's what to do first. Start with removing everything inside, buckets, ladles, and mats. Then sweep and vacuum the floor to clear out dust and debris. If you see sweat stains on benches or walls, you'll sand them lightly with a very fine sandpaper or a handheld sander. If you don't, those marks will be sealed under the wax. It doesn't really look that good. So after sanding, wipe away the dust with a damp cloth and let the wood dry completely. Two protective products, a varnish and a wax. Please note that varnish is only strictly for the outside. Never use it inside. It's gonna seal the wood too tightly and it can release toxic fumes when heated. You'll have to basically sand the entire inside. It's not really recommended. So for the inside, you'll use wax. That's where Tikkurila Supi Saunawax comes in. It's made for sauna benches, walls, doors, and frames, and it absorbs the wood and forms a natural barrier against dirt and water. Now, do you absolutely have to use wax? Not necessarily, but here's why we recommend it. It's what most commercial saunas and Nordic spa use. High traffic means that benches are stained faster and wear super quickly. Wax slows this process down, it makes cleaning easier, and keeps benches looking newer, longer. If you want easier upkeep and a fresh look over time, wax is definitely the way to go. Some people prefer not to use wax, and that's perfectly fine. A few times a year, when sweat stains show up on benches or floors, which is totally normal by the way, sand them lightly with a fine sandpaper. Makes the wood look new again. To reduce stains in the first place, use a linen sauna bench wrap or a towel. In Finland, it's common to place a piece of linen under you while you're sitting. So linen is natural, it's safe under heat, and it prevents most sweat from soaking into the wood. Now, if you choose to wax, here's how to do it properly. Make sure the wood is fully dry. Conditions should be at least 5 degrees Celsius with air humidity below 80%. Stir the wax thoroughly and keep stirring occasionally as you apply. Apply one thin coat along the wood grain using a foam brush. Don't use more than the wood can absorb. Too much will leave it slippery. Try to prioritize benches, backrests, and anywhere with skin contact. For walls, work 1 to 2 panels at a time for even color. Let it dry for 24 hours before use and preheat and ventilate the sauna before your next session. And that's it. You have 2 solid care options. Wax once or twice a year for easier maintenance, or just keep it natural with occasional sanding and linen wraps. Just remember, varnish is for the outside, wax is for the inside. Follow that rules and your sauna will stay sharp for years to come.